आर.एस. अग्रवाल में चैप्टर नंबर 5 है। इस चैप्टर नंबर 5 का नाम अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में डिफिनेशन बोल रहा है ए सीक्वेंस इन विच ईच टर्म डिफर्स फ्रॉम इट्स प्रोसीडिंग टर्म बाय ए कांस्टेंट इज कॉल्ड एन अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। The definition says that a sequence in which each term differs from its preceding. The difference between the two terms is to be a constant term. Suppose that here is an example. So that the progression 8, 11, 14, 17, 20 is an AP. Find its first term and common difference. In this example, you see that here 11 minus 8, that is 3. Also 14 minus 11 is equal to 3, and here 17 minus 14 is equal to 3, and 20 minus 17 is equal to 3. So we can see that the 3 is the constant term, is differ between from its proceeding. Now the constant term is 3. 3 is the constant term. 3 is the constant term. It means the difference between two terms, that is here 8 and 11, that is 11 minus 8 is equal to 3, and the difference between 11 and 14 minus 11 is equal to 3, also 17 minus 14 is equal to 3, 20 minus 17 is equal to 3. It means the difference of two terms is 3. 3 is the constant term. According to definition says a sequence in which each term differs from its proceeding by a constant term. Here the constant term 3 is the difference between the two terms, so it is an AP. So it is an AP, that is in arithmetic progression. Now second question is here, find its first term. The first term which is denoted by small a is equal to what? 8, and common difference which is denoted by small d is equal to 3. Now the example, so that the progression, this progression by difference of a constant term with 3, so it is an AP, and the first term is here, first term is a is equal to 8, and the common difference is 3. So we can see that so the all the doubts of definition get to be clear.